Hi everyone, it's Joyce from Pwuffy and welcome back to my channel. So I moved into my college dorm and now there's no story behind it. A lot of you guys asked me to make a tutorial on how I make my stickers, so that is what I will be doing today. This is Bunny plush. Yeah, the tail's a little bit crooked on one side, so I have to fix that. It's gonna take a while before I can buy one of them. But anyway, let's get started making the stickers. So I use an iPad to draw, and I use an app called Concepts. So this is Concepts. This is the app I use to draw. And I know a lot of you guys have Procreate. I have that too, but I don't use it as much. So Concepts is a lot like Procreate, except it's a bit more simple. There's less features. It's also free for some features of the app. I mainly use Concepts to draw my stickers because on Procreate the streamline isn't smooth enough for the shapes I want to draw. I didn't even decide what I'm making today. Okay, let me figure out what stickers I'm running out of. So this is my sticker binder, and it includes all the stickers that I have. So I keep them in like these trading card little pockets. So I have all my stickers in here, and I'm just gonna find some designs that I need to print more of. So the stickers we're gonna print today are this and this. So this is Mochi Bunny and this is Macaron Box Bunny. So the first thing you want to do is, after you make your design on Concepts or Procreate, you have to export as a PNG with a transparent background. I'm pretty sure there's other ways you can do this, but this is how I do it. So this is Mochi Bunny, and after you draw a design, all you have to do is export. So I'm gonna make mine a PNG, entire drawing, and background is transparent. And this is the quality. I just do the highest no matter what. Then I press export. So the first thing you're gonna do after you save your image is you are going to airdrop it to your laptop or email it to yourself. So here is my Mochi Bunny, and let's minimize this. You are going to create a new project and you are going to upload. Upload your image. I always choose complex. And you are going to insert it into your workspace. And a way that I make sure that the stickers cover the entire piece of paper that you're going to print on is you get a square, then you unlock the size and you make it 4.75 times 6.25. Then you lock it again, drag it out to however long you want. And now you can start putting all your stickers on top. So here is Mochi Bunny. I usually do 4 in a row. Like this. Make another row. I'm going to attach them so I don't have to select all of them one by one. And I want to have another sticker design here just to fill up the space. And it's going to be my Macaron Box Bunny. Let me try to find it. Here it is. And do the same thing, make it 4 in a row. Okay, perfect. And make sure the stickers cover the entire black rectangle. After that, you are going to hide the square, but now it's a rectangle. Then you're going to select everything and you're going to attach. And you see this little yield sign here. That means it's too big. So what you're going to do is just make it smaller right where it doesn't turn yellow. So you can make it fill up the entire page. Like this. Then you're going to save sticker tutorial. Yay, it's saved. Okay, now it is time to make it. And this is how the page will look. As you can see, it fills up the entire page. And now we are going to go ahead and print it. I'm going to show you guys the sticker paper I use to make my stickers. We're going to make glossy stickers today. So this is the sticker paper I use. It's the brand Luxotin on Amazon. I know a lot of people use online labels, but I found these to be a cheaper alternative, and they actually work. They're actually waterproof. I use their glossy paper and their matte paper. They're both vinyl. I have their glossy white vinyl sticker. So now we're going to put the sheet in the printer. I have a HP Photo 7855. I think it works pretty well and it's not too expensive. The quality is amazing. So we are going to put the sheet inside. And now we are going to go ahead and print. So when you print, you want to not add the bleed and use system dialog. It usually pops up behind the Cricut app thing window, the Cricut window. Yeah, it usually pops up behind the Cricut window. And I'm gonna go ahead and print. So this is the printed sheet. It is glossy, and now we're going to go ahead and cut it. So this is my Cricut. It is a Explorer Air 3. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and open it. Explorer 3. Now I'm going to take a mat. This mat is becoming not sticky, so I'm going to have to change it soon. Anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and match the sticker sheet in the same placement as it says right here. Here is the sticker sheet on the mat. And for glossy stickers, what you will need to do is find a way to make the glossy black lines be able to be scanned by the Cricut. And some people use matte clear tape. I am going to use a white crayon. Take a white crayon and you just go over the black lines with it. And I've been using this method for a while now, so it works. It really is a hassle out here. Alright, I'm going to load my Cricut. So you can connect the Cricut using Bluetooth. Just click here. And I usually choose medium cardstock as my material if I want die cut stickers. So it is done cutting, and now I will unload. And as you can see, it cuts pretty cleanly. So these are the final stickers. They are cut perfectly. And now I'm going to go ahead and peel off all of the stickers. And make sure when you're peeling off the stickers, you're bending the mat and not the stickers. So this is how the final stickers turn out. This is Mochi Bunny, and it is very cleanly cut, as you can see. This is Macaron Box Bunny, also very clean. And lastly, this is a peach from Animal Crossing. Make sure to have the thick white borders. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. Hope you guys learned how to make glossy stickers and make sure the Cricut cuts it properly. And if this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials on clay or digital art. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you next week. Bye bye!